Oh, good morning. How are you? Hope you very well. Okay, आज ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ? Sound of A. Today we read about sound, A sound. Okay, we start A sound. Which sound? A sound. Okay. B at bat. R at rat. A at hat. K at cat. Read again. B at bat. R at rat. H at hat. K at cat. Okay, now we write 5 sounds on notebook. Okay, with pictures. Okay. Sound of A.
So,
First is B at bat. You draw easily. B at bat. Okay. Next, number second. R at rat. R at rat. Next, number third, H at hat. At hat. At hat. Next, K at cat. K at cat. Number 5, M at mat. M at mat. Okay, we read only 5 letters. B at bat. R at rat. H at hat. K at cat. M at mat. उम्मीद है कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਈ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.